Alright, so the iPhone 16 is here and you know what that means. Time to check out the latest Casetify cases. And this year, I gotta say, they've really leveled up. So let's dive into the lineup, break it all down, and see what's new. I've got some thoughts and there's a lot to cover here. We're talking protection, style, versatility, everything you'd expect from Casetify. But they've taken it to a whole nother level this time. And we're gonna go through everything from the Ultra Bounce Beast to the everyday essentials. So buckle up, let's get right into it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
This right here, it's the Ultra Bounce case. Let's just say it's the tank of phone cases. If there's one case that can pretty much handle anything, it's this. So Casetify is calling it their most protective and versatile case yet. And they're not kidding. We've got some serious features to talk about here. First off, they've added utility lanyards and carabiners, which means there are now multiple ways to wear your phone. You've got a G-hook clasp as well as dual lobster clasps. I mean, whether you want to clip it to your pants, sling it across your body, or rock it as a wrist wrap, this case does it all. And it's not just for the style points. It's designed for a secure hold no matter how you wear it. And those expanded Ultra Bounce corners, they're no joke. It's like having airbags on the corner of your phone. You've got 32.8 feet of drop protection. Yes, you've heard that right. 32.8 feet. So if you drop your phone from a window, a tree, or off a cliff, I'm not judging, this case has got your back. And just when you think things could not get better, it's 10 times military standard. Let me break that down for you. Most RØDE cases are tested to meet military standards for drop protection, but this one, it exceeds them by 10 times. You've also got 6 layers of 360-degree protection, which means full coverage top to bottom, front to back. That's some next level protection. Not to mention, there's also an integrated camera lens protector that protects your camera lenses for an extra peace of mind. I mean, clip it to your pants, wear it as a wrist wrap, or even crossbody. This case has been designed to work with your lifestyle. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or someone who likes to drop their phone a lot like me, this case has got you covered. And here's a nice touch. It's adjustable in length. Plus, if you're rocking AirPods, you can attach other accessories directly to the lanyard. It's a case that does more than just protect your phone. It's a utility belt for everyday essentials. Casetify claims 32.8 feet of drop protection. We're throwing it in the air once again. Let's see what happens. Oh, that was bad. That comes to a 40 short. Once again. Just fine. I would throw it onto like concrete. This is concrete right below. Not even a single scratch. That is insane. Alright, moving on to something a bit more lightweight, but it's still packing a punch. The bounce case. This one's all about style and everyday usability. You know, if you're not necessarily dropping your phone out of airplanes, but you still want solid protection, this case is for you. Casetify has gone all out with the colors this year. They've added new options. So whatever your vibe, whether it's bold and bright or something minimalistic, there's something here for everyone. It's really all about expressing yourself while keeping your phone protected. But here's where it gets interesting. This year's bounce case is 5% slimmer and 11% lighter than last year's model. You might be thinking, it's not that much. But trust me, whether your phone is in your hand or you slide it into your pocket, you'll notice the difference. It's smoother, it's sleeker, and the added convenience is real. Now, you're still getting 21.3 feet of drop protection with this case. That's equivalent to 2 basketball hoops stacked on top of one another. Or better yet, picture this, 3 Yao Mings tall. Yeah, you're not messing around with this case. And it's 6 times military standard. So even though it's lighter and more pocket friendly, you're not compromising on protection. Now, for those of you who like your cases to do a little bit more than just protect, let's talk about the Impact Ring Stand case. This one's all about functionality. It's got that subtle kickstand feature that I think is a really cool addition. Let me break this down. It's a kickstand. Yeah, if you're someone who likes to watch videos, do FaceTime, or prop your phone up on a desk, this case makes it easy. And the best part, the kickstand is so subtle, you won't even notice it's there until you need it. Super convenient, right? You're also getting 6.6 feet of drop protection and 3 times military standard. So you're covered on the safety side too. It's the perfect blend of protection and convenience. Next up, we've got the Impact case. This one is your daily driver. It's perfect for those who need solid protection without the extra frills. But don't get it twisted, this case is still bringing the heat. It's pocket friendly, so you won't be struggling to fit it into your jeans, which is a big win. Even though it's slim, it's still got 8.2 feet of drop protection. That's pretty solid for a case this size. Oh, and it's also rocking EcoShock technology, which is designed to absorb shock while being eco-friendly. And you know Casetify is all about that sustainability vibe these days. For those of you who want to show off the beauty of the phone itself, the clear case is the one to go with. It's got that classic transparent look, but here's the kicker. It's got UV Defender tech, so it won't turn yellow over time like some clear cases do. And despite being clear and minimalist, it still offers 6.6 feet of drop protection and 3 times military standard protection. Plus, all of these cases are MagSafe compatible, so no worries about your wireless charging setup. And for all of you Apple Watch fans out there, the Bounce Odyssey watch band is the perfect companion to these cases. It not only looks sick, but it's also got the durability to match. It'll survive your workouts, bumps, and bangs no problem. Oh, and I can't forget the earbuds bounce case. This little guy is designed to protect your AirPods while making sure they stay securely in place. Clip it to the lanyard on your Ultra Bounce case and you're all set. It's a super practical solution if you're someone who's always on the move. Alright, so let's rank these because I know some of you are wondering what's the top dog. Ultra Bounce case. The most protective, versatile case for those of you who need maximum protection. It's unmatched when it comes to durability, and the customization options with the lanyards and the clips just put it on another level. Ultra Bounce attachment system. If you're after that next level functionality, this case is your best friend. With attachment options like the lanyard and the ability to clip it onto basically anything, you've got so much flexibility. Impact case, your go-to for everyday use. It's slim, practical, and protective. This is the case that I would personally use on a daily basis. It's easy to carry, and that EcoShock technology means that you're not compromising on protection at all. Impact ring stand case. The kickstand edition is a killer feature for hands-free viewing. Whether you're watching videos, FaceTiming, or using it on a desk, it's a small but super functional upgrade. Bounce case. Great for someone looking for a lighter, more pocket-friendly option with more focus on style. You're still getting some serious protection, but it's all about keeping things sleek and light. Bounce Odyssey watch band. If you're rocking an Apple Watch, this is a great match for you. You get the durability, the style, and that Casetify flair that makes your Apple Watch look even better. The clear case and the earbuds bounce case. Clean, minimal, and effective accessories to round out your setup. If you're someone who wants a minimalist design while still getting top-tier protection, the clear case is the way to go. And for AirPods, the earbuds bounce case is a super practical way to keep them secure and protected. So overall, Casetify's lineup for the iPhone 16 cases is looking solid. Whether you're climbing mountains, commuting, or just binge watching shows on your phone, there's a case here for you. The Ultra Bounce case is clearly the king of protection, but even the more casual options like the bounce case or the impact case have their own appeal depending on what you're after. Personally, I'm loving the versatility of the Ultra Bounce case. With all those clips and lanyards, you can pretty much attach it to anything. And for those of you who want something a bit simpler, the impact case or the bounce case are solid options that'll get the job done. Either way, Casetify has stepped it up with their iPhone 16 lineup. Let me know which one you're vibing with. So yeah, head on over to the description and click on the first link, casetify.com/rjtech, to get 50% off your order today. And if you guys made it to the end of this video, drop a dolphin emoji down in the comments below. I would love to know who my true supporters are. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your tech.